Hi, I'm Pop Seagull, and today I'm going to show you some fundamental training practice with elbows and torquing palm. Now, fundamental practice is exactly that. It's the extreme basics that allow you to understand how your body moves and generates power and maintains balance in your ground path so you can be effective in projecting force or accepting force. Now, this move I've already shown you torquing palm in some of my other videos, but this is just practice so that you get better with your elbows utilizing torquing palm. And here is where you utilize the coiling technique, skeletal positioning, and the movement of your joints, tendons, and ligaments, and of course your muscles a bit, and your structure marrying with the ground and the pressure generated by your body with gravity, and the control of your center to strike effectively. Now, elbows in Bagua Kuntao Silat are done very close. You can do elbows even when you're being grappled and hugged if you do it properly, because you learn how to move your body properly in Bagua Kuntao Silat. So with this, you'll say when you're coiling with torquing palm like this, you can see your feet are in. So you're coiled, start in your natural position, make sure you're relaxed and aware, song they call it, and you will go right into torquing palm from here. So our feet coil in, our legs coil in, our root sinks, our head is suspended, our spine stays straight, and our hips shift, and we go into coiling palm. To practice an elbow from there, we're going to coil out, then step around and through and strike with an elbow. And you can see we do it this way, strike with an elbow. This way, strike with an elbow. And you can see we can do it back. So you're coiling out, stepping, following through, elbow. Coiling out, stepping, following through, elbow. Now you practice with your footwork a little bit so you can see how you generate that power and how it changes with how you time the movement of your legs, feet, and hips, and the movement of your joints as they move in a timed fashion with other movements. It's not just timing with the opponent, it's timing and synchronization with your own movements inside your body. That includes the rotation of your joints and the extension of your skeleton and the positioning of your structure and muscle. All of these things matter. Every bit of the position in your skeletal structure, how you move your center, how you step, when you move these things out. You can see I varied how I step on purpose. I want you to do it too in this elbow training with torquing palm. That allows you to understand how you really generate power with your elbows. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Go to www.popseagull.com, visit my forum, and check out my other videos. Thank you.